Etiefo entokwano emu aye din yie pa enye easy. Me mamoti ase 2 days ago Kennedy Japan started agenda on Prophet Bedukobi. Na etiefo Prophet Bedukobi endra church service. Ye. Asempe ni. Say preaching na e was wo preaching no over an hour preaching no or the address Kennedy Japan. Eke kan sema kesiye. Na nsema abokan ne bebre me kasa me de 1 hour ni abremu a me waste mo time inti de maye ne se me de bebremu peace nsema Kennedy Japan de to ne so no na edoso ebi eye kan ho nsem ebi eye krono ho nsem ebi Kennedy Japan ka se wo be ma ya arrest no ebi nso eye se be edwamanbo ho nsem inti me address ni na 1111111 Kennedy Japan ma yeti asese wo be ma national security akwakoche eye Bedukobi endra me de bra say national security indeed wo ko Bedukobi fie nanso papers ano mo ka se wo mo hwehwe Bedukobi ehu ne se wo mo pese wo mo chene no wo mo check papers no wo mo ehu bibia anfa Bedukobi ho nti wo mo ntumi anche Bedukobi na let's wait to see whether still national security wo mo besan so nya information biom akọ dia but Bedukobi ababonten because endra Kennedy Japan kasa no wo ka se wo no Kennedy Japan se wa maya nchi Bedukobi antumu a no yemfre Kennedy Japan wo be ya ma ya chi Bedukobi atum because of ekronfo Bedukobi nso ababonten ka se nanka Ghana ha se obi ewo ho aye ewo se ye chi saa nipa ko ne pa de a nanka ye wo Kennedy Japan na me se Bedukobi nso aseme na oken o se ane Ghana ha nia wo bi wo ho a ewo se ye chi ni tum down fiase many years eye Kennedy Japan because Kennedy Japan no ba bonten be keka nsem ono na wo ba bonten be ka se eye amesuale mo china mo mbono yakwachi amesuale na na eku no eye oman bia na nka by this time Kennedy Japan ya china tum de dada ne sanse eye Ghana ninti Kennedy Japan is still working free sansem no ye ne nim se Ghana fo bebre akasa fa ho enye no nkwa aside that etiefo nanse ya me the story be brought 3 days ago say abranti a friend sexy dondon Daniel Asiedu court akwa court say Kennedy Japan na born the pass won kunje bi dankwa MPP MP a wo wu ye some years ago no abranti na nenumuto asema wo kan wo court no enti de Bedukobi kan ene say witness ebie nenum aka wo court say wo Kennedy Japan na wo ball pass yenkokun MPB nanka yo man bia nanka at least wo Kennedy Japan ya chiwatum de dada because abrante na obia de ato ne so state ne de ato ne so say wono enekun abrante no wabo wo Kennedy Japan din enti ya den na aban enche wo ye enya no pe na Bedukobi kan ensembe bre tiefo na yankonko te Bedukobi na ngasa nenum nsem a waka fa Kennedy Japan ho
I show Bedukobi I show hey and I will jail Bedukobi. Now let me tell you something, listen to me. The best person to be jailed in Ghana is Kennedy Japan. The man who taught all of us that we can speak against the president is Kennedy Japan. He said the president is like a tree, that everything around him is withered. He said about his party that they are thieves. He said it in Chi. Me join party way. I regret even joining this party, useless party. Everything wrong about MPP, Kennedy Japan said it. Some of us didn't know anything about MPP. It's Kennedy Japan who exposed them. He said when you go and you want to see the president, you must pay $100,000 or $200,000. He said it. Nobody knew. He said of a certain minister called Esra Usu that Esra has a contract, Kelvin, Vinji, or whatever. He said it. Nobody knew this. Kennedy Japan himself has insulted the president a lot of times. Why don't they arrest him? In fact, as I'm speaking, they said Galamsey. In fact, the president said that he puts his life on the line. That Galamsey is something when you do, you are arrested. That is it. He puts his life on the line. If he fails, he should lose it. his seat. Some few months ago, the excavators they arrested, they themselves used to do business. Where are the people? Free. And you are talking about Bedu Kobi going to jail. What's your own people? You said somebody, when they get in, they should beat him. The person is dead and you are walking free. If it was another nation, he should have been arrested by now and put behind bars. A gentleman is in prisons, speaking every day. JB Dankwa, Kennedy Abbott killed him. And till date, he's walking free. Who should go to jail? It's him. This battle he has started, he has not seen anything. Bedu Kobi, I said, when I am without the microphone, I am a soft person. But when I hold the microphone, I'm a lion. I don't fear them a bit. Am I talking to you today? I will lead you like this, you will get to the promised land. You and I will change Ghana. I thought I'd hear better, amen. Things that are happening in Ghana, why don't they concentrate and change the people's lives? You go on radio, Bedu Kobi. Why don't you use that moment to talk about Ghana and how we can change Ghana? If you love Ghana, Bedu Kobi is speaking things, saying that this must change. What is wrong? So why don't you use the same medium? And Bedu Kobi is doing this. Bedu Kobi is saying that I will expose him, I'll bring him down, I will do this. What? Since they came of age, have they ever had any political party or government or a person bring a man of God down? It doesn't happen. It can't happen. Do you know why? God knows his own. And God fights for his own. Now listen to me. When you hear the rantings of Elusa, don't mind him. Do you know why? He cannot do anything about me. I am a brand which has a great future. I'm repeating. Can I repeat? I don't steal cars, I buy cars. And the Rolls Royce I'm going to use is better than what he drives. I am above stealing cars. I don't value cars. And the gentleman is called Prince. He's in Canada. That he brought me a stolen car. The moment they mentioned the name, I said, this name rings a bell. Because I gave money to a certain gentleman to buy a car from me from Canada. To date, I have not received the car. Car owners, car dealers owe me billions, including some in MPP. And I know people in MPP whose cars duty have not been paid. I know them one by one. And I know people in MPP who are driving stolen cars. Let them dare me. They'll hear me mentioning it. I know people in this nation, in their compound, the cars that are parked, no duty. MPP. I went to an MPP man's house. I said, this your car is nice, so can I buy it? He said, you know my government is in power, so I've not paid.
Okay, so when you say the facts and the last part Bedu Kobi can say we call MPP NBC na cars and then there was you na buy na was na volunteer duty no that one we can't speak to that fact until no there yes Bedu Kobi and no there mon fan ba assembly mo but in some na personal me ankasa videos I have seen some comments on it. Now, it will tell you how Ghanaians are very interested in their thinking. And by same way, share Kennedy Japan, share say, Bedu Kobi din, can sama kasia afa Bedu Kobi hono. A lot of people believed it because it was once again just Kennedy Japan who was speaking. You didn't see any proof but because Kennedy Japan can say we will prove now our trot on yama to paper so no. You believe say and some work cannot credit. Bedu Kobi eba bonten, mean so me ba bonten, ebe trail say ne cre Kennedy Japan the information no command national security for national security for Bedu Kobe fie. But they couldn't arrest Bedu Kobe because in some Kennedy Japan they come on no. Omudu Bedu Kobe fie no mu say enye sa na asem no eniswo ete. Me this asem ne bae no. People were rather attacking me. Me this asem ne bae no. Say, oh, you weren't there. You weren't in Bedu Kobe's house, so don't talk about it. And let me say, hey, Ghana for inti nyachum sem na eye. Nyachum sem na eye. Kennedy Japan kasafa Bedu Kobe who say wakwa ko wi akas na nyama no. Why will be some say I wasn't there no. You know, were you there? You too, you weren't there. Oh. But Kennedy Japan can say Bedu Kobe akwa ko wi akas. Money oba bi akwada, wakoto oba bi mu na and our girlfriend. You weren't there, but because it was Kennedy Japan saying it, no, you believed it. Now, Matra will say, I have information. Bedu Kobe ankasa ba. Kofi TV kra e breaky sound news no. Say the correct national security for Eko Bedu Kobe fie. We must me Bedu Kobe fie. Me this our story in April no. Who be catch me moon say me I wasn't there, so I shouldn't talk about it. But you are talking about Kennedy Japan accusing Bedu Kobe, but you yourself no krano you weren't there. We who send ya Ghana nyatron sem net. Ne say Ghana ha say no. Ya kwaya say nkrofo bi wo ho a wo mo kan sem bi a nkrofo bi pese ya fa ne say sansem no the gospel truth. That is what me I don't like. Me ma what here say Kennedy Japan you obi a me penasem for some of the things he does. But say asem bi a wo be ke bia mo pese ya fa ne say gospel truth ni de da bi me enye sa na mete. Enye sa na mete. That's just for that. One time one in our comment box no. Yes, the Bedu Kobe can send baby Africa Kennedy Japan. My mama watch us here. Say one no so my work can say MPP phone to your duty. Any say no. And no. I can't speak on that because I don't have the evidence to that. But me feel say deep down, me feel say Bedu Kobe your the answer na can ho keke na ma ono so na sem ayede. Personally, that's what I feel. But one time one in our comment box no. Me that's it.